Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is February the 27th, and in my previous video I had showed you some little marigolds, French marigolds, that I started off from seed. So I've got that same bag, which is here, and I've got one of the little pods. So these here I harvested last fall. So I'm just going to take these, I'm just going to open this up. I'll just show you how many are in here. It's amazing how many seeds you get out of one pod. So I just want to do this on camera, and I just want to see if I can get the same results. Hopefully it wasn't just a fluke, you know, because I've tried these before and I didn't have success. So anyway, so here are you can see all the seeds. So I'm just basically going to take these and just spread them all around, just like I did the other ones. Nothing fancy, I'm just getting them in there. Now I noticed on the other ones, a bunch of them didn't take, and I have a funny feeling it's because I didn't cover them properly with the soil. So you can see them in there, right there. So let's just try to cover those up a little bit. Now I got a little bit of soil here, and this is just regular, you know, soil from the garden. I'm just going to sprinkle that on top, and then I'm going to water it down, and then we're going to see if we get any results. So unfortunately I didn't record the other ones that I did, which are over under a little grow light, but and I'll do another video on that just for a little fast update. I just want to get them growing a little bit more before I come back with the second update. And then I'm just going to take some water and I'm just going to water this down. And I am going to cover this just so that it stays moist. So I'll just use a little piece of saran wrap for that. I'll do that later on. But you just want to get everything nicely covered, and then just make sure you get enough water on the top. And the really most important thing is just not let this dry out. Because if it dries out, the seeds die. Just get some water in there. I just want to make sure I've got a little bit of a pond going on here, a little lake. That looks good. Okay, and that's just going to settle in there. And that's good, just like that. So we're going to, oh, there's one right there. I'm just going to pop that in. So we'll mark this off as day number 1. So we are, again, February the 27th, and it's actually just after 5 o'clock here. So I can't really count this as a full day, but that's how we'll end off the video. So day 1, these are French marigolds. Not to be confused with a brand that you'll see all the time in your local stores called Cracker Jack. Cracker Jacks are actually African marigolds, and they are quite different because they grow more wild and they get to go between 3 and 4 feet tall. The ones that you'll see in the nurseries are French marigolds, and they're very hard to find in seed, like in a little package. Anyway, so that's it. When these start to sprout, I'm going to come back with an update. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And I know I've mentioned this in other videos. If you love to bake, check me out over on my main channel, which is Bake Like a Pro, where I do all kinds of recipes. I have over 600,000 subscribers there. So that's it. Thanks for watching.